Good morning, traders. So it's not looking so hot for me today on EURUSD. Overall, we're trying to get into longs from this demand. We had a good initial reaction. I was cautious of how price may react in this supply, but yeah, overall, we're obviously bullish until the overall 4-hour highs. But yeah, I explained the entry model. What we'd be looking for yesterday, that we need a minor break, and then you could see the sweep over here of that demand zone, and then entry on the next minor break over here. So yeah, it started off pretty well. You can see we had a 1 to 3 if we target this 15-minute supply over here, but you could keep holding, but that's just a safety P. However, you can see this morning kind of had a bit of a reversal on that. No panic, of course, as drawdown is normal. What I just look for is what kind of demand areas could it be heading into to potentially bounce off of again. So we have this demand down here. And I think the bottom one may be mitigated, but no, it's okay, it's valid. So yeah, you can see we have these potential zones. Let me just move this out the way so you can see. So this one didn't hold. Hopefully this one can hold, or the bottom one, which is pretty close to the stop loss. But yeah, if we can just continue having that bullish move up, it should be fine, because we're essentially just taking out some of this liquidity in the morning. But yeah, if it's a stop loss, that's fine. It's kind of a weird place for price to just reverse, because we didn't even tap into the 4-hour supply. So, you know, if we hit that, I would have probably been break even already. So it's a bit weird, but yeah, drawdown is normal. And of course, keep in mind, I mean, that's the thing, we have a lot of red folder news today. On GBP, Euro, and USD. So that could be why price is reversing so hard. So yeah, just keep an eye on that. And GBPUSD is actually, you know, flipping bearish at the moment. We had the break over here. The supply is holding, and price seems to be heading down lower. Yeah, I mean, you could take shorts just into this demand and see what GU decides. Overall, the trend is bearish. However, we had quite an aggressive bullish run over here. I was focused on my EU trade yesterday, so I didn't really check if there was an entry on GU, but I can see there isn't, because the minor break is quite far away. So we just had that now. And so today, if you wanted to take shorts on GU after the news, you could look at liquidation of this supply. You want price to come up through it, and then you enter on the minor break. So yeah, that's another potential idea for today. I'm just going to be keeping an eye and hopefully not getting tagged out of EU. So that's it for today. Bye.